Hello and welcome to our Excel bookkeeping solution. We believe in providing clear data that tells a story so that you can better manage your finances year over year. The way we accomplish that vision is primarily through this Overview tab. On this tab, the only user inputs are within the User Inputs section. By entering a start and end date for any period, the visuals on the page will update to match. The table in the top left shows income and expenses for the period selected, as well as the prior period and a projection for a future period, or historical data for the future period if that data already exists in this workbook. There are also percentages that allow you to see trends over time and comparisons from the prior period to the current one. The bar graph in the middle of the page shows monthly income and expenses for the year listed in the end date field. Below the bar chart are a number of financial ratios. These ratios provide data such as how many days can you go before running out of inventory? How often do you completely turn over your inventory? How long does it take you to collect payments from customers or to pay your vendors? How much net income is made in relation to the assets, debt, and equity of the business? And how much debt has the business accrued? Descriptions of these ratios and the stories they tell are listed beneath each donut chart. In the top right corner of the page, there are 6 buttons. Each button performs a different action. The first 2 buttons create financial statements, which can be used to view the status of the business, share information with shareholders, or apply for loans. By clicking the Build Balance Sheet button, a balance sheet will be created based on the selected period. Because the amount of assets should always equal the amount of liabilities plus equity, the net balance figure on this page should always be 0. At the end of the year, when the books are complete, the Close Books button should be clicked to generate an automatic journal entry which will roll the current period net income into retained earnings for future periods. To view this statement for a different period, select the Change Dates button. To view the profit and loss statement, select the View P&L button. This will show you your income and expenses for the selected period. Back on the Overview tab, by clicking the View Account Detail button, users can select any business account such as website expense, and be able to see dates, amounts, and descriptions for every corresponding expense in that period down in the bottom left table. When there is new data to add to the financials, the Add Transaction Data button should be pressed. This will open a general ledger where all transaction data is entered. To make data entry easy, users can export CSV files from their business bank accounts, copy the dates, amounts, and descriptions, and paste those transactions on this page. The Add Formulas to BCEF button should then be pressed, which will automatically add formulas or drop-down lists to the other columns. Users then only need to select the appropriate accounts in columns C and F, and they're done. If the account the user wishes to select does not exist in the drop-down list, for example, utilities expense, this expense account needs to be added to the chart of accounts. To do this, click on the Modify Chart of Accounts button, which can be accessed from the Overview tab as well. Here, the user pushes the Add New Account button, enters a new account and description, and selects Add Account. The new item is added to the table below with the appropriate formulas. The last button on the Overview tab is an Invoice Template. Here, users can enter a client's name, an invoice number, and a description of their sales or services. Once the invoice is filled out, the invoice can be printed and sent to clients. The Add Invoice to Overview button will add the invoice number, client name, and total invoice amount to the Overview tab, where users can then add notes to each invoice, such as sent to customer but not paid. Overall, this bookkeeping solution is an ideal tool for small business owners to be able to view the status of their business over any period. The financial ratios, the charts, and the data that are provided year over year allow for a big picture screenshot of a business, as well as the ability to drill into the details. With buttons and instructions throughout this spreadsheet, navigation is easy. Your business books will be clean and paint a picture for you in no time.